Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will learn how to keep the Outlook inbox organized using categories, flags and rules. Categories can show what subjects your email, calendar, and contacts fall into in Outlook. To assign a category to an email, right-click the message and choose Categorize, then pick a category. The first time you use a category, Outlook will ask if you want to rename it. Type in your new category name, then yes. To see all categories, select Categorize at the top and then All Categories. Choose a category and select Rename if you want to change the name. Type in the new name and click OK. You can also create a new category by selecting New and choosing a name and color from the palette, then clicking OK. For calendar events, follow the same process. Right-click a meeting, click Categorize, and select your category. You can also assign categories when creating meetings by selecting Categorize at the top and choosing your category. Categories are only visible to you, and you can add multiple categories to emails, contacts, and events. Let's cover flags and reminders now. Select the flag icon in an email to make it a to-do item. The message will be highlighted. Right-click the flag to pick a follow-up time, such as next week. Select Add Reminders to open the menu, check the reminder box, then choose the date and time. You can also label the type of reminder you want. When you're finished, select OK. Reminders will show in the message list and reading pane. Organizing email by using folders. Open your inbox and move mail into folders. Right-click Inbox, select New Folder, and type its name in the white rectangle that appears. Then we need to drag and drop emails into the new folder. We can create as many folders we need. Again, right-click to create a new folder, rename it and use the Shift key to select multiple emails. And move them. Then select the folder to view your collected emails. Also, with the right-click on folders, we can check other options for Organize emails. For example, using rules we can move, flag, and respond to email messages automatically. Right-click an existing message and select Rules, then Create Rule. There are several options for setting rules. For example, to move all emails with the subject line as approval request to a specific folder, check the box for subject contains, and enter or change the text if needed. Check Move Item to Folder and choose a folder or create a new one. Click OK to close the dialog box and then OK again to create the rule, checking the Run This Rule box if you want the rule to apply immediately. Outlook provides a range of templates for creating or changing rules. Select File, then Manage Rules and Alerts, and choose New Rule. For example, select to flag messages from someone for follow-up. Rule descriptions underlined in blue can be edited. Select People or Public Group, double-click a contact and select OK. Set a reminder by selecting Follow-up at this time and choose Tomorrow, then select Next. You can add limitations to the rule, like specific words. Check the box in Step 1, click the specific words link in Step 2, and add the words. Select Add, OK, then Next to add exceptions, such as when your name appears in the CC box. Select Next, name your rule, check Run This Rule Now if you want, and select Finish. Note that certain rules will only run when Outlook is on. Select OK to exit, and your emails, as well as any future ones fitting the rule, will be flagged. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.